Ricco, do you want to tell everybody that there's only a couple of days left to get a Ricco Talking Plushie? Yeah. Only a couple days left. It ends on December 15th. And then there won't be any more available. I know. So get yours now. It's absolutely adorable. It talks like me. I know. Do you want to say thank you to everybody that already pre-ordered? Say thank you. Do you want to give them kisses? How do you give your kisses? Give kisses. Mwah. No. How do you give kisses? Mwah. 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 Say, so get yours now. Don't miss out. I know. Say, we'll leave the link in the bio description and comments. Say bye. Say, love you guys. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.